We're not going to Wasilla, we're not going to Manila, we're just going outside. Woo! What's up everyone, my name is Charlie, hanging out here outside in Ann Arbor, Michigan, enjoying the musical stylings of this enormous musical instrument.
Charlie, that's actually a building.
Kind of. The bottom's kind of like a building with classrooms and offices and stuff, but behind keycard access, up 10 floors through a locked door, 120 feet in the air, sits the Charles Baird Carillon.
Oh, okay.
So a carillon's kind of like a mutated organ that has bells instead of pipes. It has two keyboards, one made up of a bunch of wooden rods called batons for your hands, and another made up of pedals for your feet. You play it by hitting a key with your fist or foot, which triggers a wire, pulls a clapper, hits a bell, and makes a sound. A musician that can play the carillon is called a carillonneur. These musical masters have trained for hours on end to perfect the art of professional bell ringing. Kip Cortez, master of music in organ performance, coordinator of carillon studies, doctoral music student, 13 years of performance experience. Charlie Engelman, undergraduate non-music major, took piano lessons when he was 5 and a carillon class last year. Thanks so much for watching the video, guys.
What kind of instruments do you play?
Guitar?
Piano?
Kazoo?
Let's hear it.
Catch us next time when more cool stuff happens.
I'm Kip.
And I'm Charlie. And we'll catch you guys outside. Woo!